Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is debugging. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our content for today is provided to us by Amazon AWS. So what is debugging? Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors or bugs in the source code of any software. When software does not work as expected, computer programmers study the code to determine why any errors occurred. They use they use debugging tools to run the software in a controlled environment, check the code step by step, and analyze and fix the issue. Where did the term debugging originate? The term debugging can be traced back to Admiral Grace Hopper, who worked at Harvard University in 1940s. When one of her colleagues found a moth impeding the operation of one of the university's computers, she told them they were debugging the system. Computer programmers were first recorded as using the terms bugs in debugging by 1950s, and by early 1960s the term debugging was commonly accepted in the programming community. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.